Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Maravilla here today, and we're going to talk about the shape cube. If you look down at the screen at me, I'll help you remember what a cube looks like. So it has the shape of a square on each side. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides that are all squares. Okay, and this is a 3D shape. I can hold it on in my hand. It's not flat. It's really thick, right? So this is a cube. So one of the objects I found around my house was this jewelry box that holds some of my earrings. In there it can hold rings, but I have earrings in there now. So this is shaped like a cube. If you look at the screen, you can see this is an example of a cube. It's 3D, you can see it sticking out, but you can't see the other sides, but that's a cube. This safe is shaped like a cube. An ice cube, you can see 1, 2, 3, 3 of the sides, but then on the other side there's 4, 5, and the bottom 6. Dice are shaped like cubes as well. This Rubik's cube has a bunch of little cubes in it, like this is a cube, this middle one is a cube, this corner one is a cube, and then all together makes a big cube. These watermelons that someone grew are shaped like a cube, which is fun because those watermelons we see are not cubes, they're more ovals, ovular, or like spheres kind of. And then just building blocks, cubes, and then like gift box are cubes, could be cubes, and then these are sugar cubes. So just remember that you're not looking for squares, okay? Remember, you're not looking for just a square. A square is flat, you know, and I can't stand it up on my hand, right? This is a square. We're not looking for squares, we're looking for the 3D shape. That's a cube. Does a cube have squares? Yes. But is it just a square like this? No. So make sure it's 3D. You can hold it in your hand. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares. Not just one, 6 squares. And that's a cube, okay? So make sure you respond to the Flipgrid with everything that you have found that is shaped like a cube. A cube is a little bit trickier to find things, but I know you could do it. And whatever items you find, I can't wait to see them. Have a good day.